is Jana Adyada, and I'm here to show you how bytes conversion works. Before learning about bytes conversion, let us first know, what is a byte? Bytes are basic and physical units of information used in computing and digital communications. At the smallest scale in the computer, information is stored as bits and bytes. In showing how the byte conversion works, we will be using the ladder analogy to make it easier to understand. It starts with the bit ladder and the byte ladder to easily show how the conversion works. In the bit ladder, we would just basically start from the bottom using 1 bit as small b, up the ladder to 1 kilobit, which is kb, and the last on the bit ladder is megabit, which is mb. In the byte ladder, we would also start from the bottom using 1 byte as big letter B, up the ladder to 1 kilobyte as KB, up on the ladder which is 1 megabyte as MB, and lastly 1 terabyte as TB. The bits and bytes are placed this way to easily identify how to convert up and down the ladder and to easily visualize where and how it came to. In converting up and down the bit ladder, the number 1000 is our best friend because in changing up and down the levels of the bit ladder, we will be using divided by 1000 or multiplied by 1000 to go up and down the levels. So if we want to go up the ladder, we will use division. So from 1 bit to 1 kilobit, we will divide 1 bit to 1000 in order to be converted to 1 kilobit. And same goes from kilobit to megabit. In going down the bit ladder, we will be using multiplication. So from 1 megabit to 1 kilobit, we will multiply 1 megabit to 1000 for it to be converted to 1 kilobit, and same goes for kilobit to bit. In the byte ladder, it is the same as the method of division and multiplication as the bit ladder to convert up and down the levels of the ladder. However, in the byte ladder, rather than using 1000 as the divisor and multiplier, we will be using the number 1024. It's as simple as saying when going up, which is 1 byte up to 1 terabyte, we would be going to a pattern of dividing each and every levels of byte by 1024. So, when going from 1 byte to 1 kilobyte, we would be dividing 1 byte to 1024 in order for it to be 1 kilobyte. And same goes for kilobyte to megabyte and megabyte to terabyte. In going down the levels of the ladder, just like in the bit ladder, we will be multiplying it by 1024. So from 1 terabyte to 1 megabyte, we will be multiplying 1 terabyte to 1024 in order for it to become 1 megabyte. Easy as that. So the question is, how would be the process of converting bits to bytes and vice versa? In converting 1 byte to 1 bit, you are to multiply 1 byte by 8. So why 8? Because there are 8 bits in every 1 byte. But in crossing over the other ladder, which is bit to byte, you are to multiply by 8 also. So that would pretty much sum up the ladder analogy for bytes conversion. Always remember to stay safe and be positive always. Bye!